Hi everyone, welcome to IAC, South India's best coaching institution. Welcome to our next test question answer discussion. The first question is before us. Jindwa is the famous folk dance of which state? So this is the first question. Options are Punjab, Bihar, West Bengal, Goa and none of these. Here the answer is nothing but it is Punjab. Remember that folk dances are not classical dances. Folk dances will not have strict rules and regulations, but they have certain rhythm and they reflect the culture of the place. Like this, we have got different folk dances. For example, you take Perandi Shivatanamam. It's a folk dance of Telangana. For example, you take Viranatyam. It's a folk dance of Andhra Pradesh. You take Dandiya. It's a folk dance of Gujarat. You take Ghumar. It's a folk dance of Rajasthan. Like this, each state will have its own folk dances. So like this, Jindiya is also folk dance of Punjab, right? The right answer is nothing but Punjab. Pavana Dam is situated in which state? We have got options such as A. Punjab, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Gujarat, E. None of this. Now, Pavana Dam is a very important dam. It is present in the state of Maharashtra. It is very close to one of the hill stations of Maharashtra. There is nothing but Lonavala. So Lonavala, Khandala are the two famous hill stations which are very close to Pune. They lie between Pune and Maharashtra. So this is nothing but Pavana Dam, right? It's present in Maharashtra. Next one. Garam Pani Sanctuary is located in which state? So here the options are Manipur, Haryana, Gujarat, Assam and none of these. Remember that as the name says Garam Pani Sanctuary, this sanctuary is famous for hot water springs or hot springs. Hot springs are seen in this Garam Pani sanctuary. So it's called as Garam Pani. Garam means hot, Pani means water. Okay, and this is one of the famous sanctuaries present in the state of Assam. So Assam has got good number of national parks such as Kaziranga and many other things. Like this Garam Pani sanctuary is also famous, located in Assam. World Cities Day is observed on. Now we have got various options. A. 31st October, B. 16 June, C. 23rd August, D. 7 March and none of this. The right answer here is 31st October. Why was the importance of 31st October? See here, World Cities Day is meant to see to that we have got very healthy cities. Healthy cities means cities with good infrastructure. Okay, good infrastructure. So to have better cities, we have got various schemes such as Smart City and Amrut cities. You should also remember all those schemes. And 31st October is not only just a World Cities Day. This particular day is also celebrated as Bharatiya Ekta Divas. What is it called? Bharatiya Ekta Divas. Very important. Very important. It is the day on which Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born, and it is the same day on which Indira Gandhi was assassinated also. As we got a term called Indira Gandhi, you should also understand that Indira Gandhi National Park is present in Tamil Nadu. As we uttered a word called Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, you should understand that highest statue in the world is nothing but Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue of unity present on Sardar Sarovar Dam in Gujarat. Very important. Okay, so you should connect the things and study like this. Bagli Har Dam in Jammu and Kashmir is built across which river? Options: Chenab, Ravi, Jhelum, Godavari, none of this. Obviously, Godavari is never an option. Coming to remaining three, remember that we have got 5 important tributaries of river Indus. What are the 5 important tributaries of river Indus? One is called as Jhelum, one is called as Chenab, and one is called as Ravi, Bias, and Sutlej. Now, it is important to know what are the projects present on these 5 rivers, and lot of projects are being built. For example, we have got hydroelectricity projects. Kishan Ganga HEP is present on Jhelum. We got Ratil HEP on Chenab. We got Ranjit Sagar on Ravi. We got Maharana Pratap Sagar on Bias, and we have got Guru Gobind Sagar and Sutlej. Now, in addition to that, Bagligarh Dam is a dam which is present on the river Chenab. So the right answer is nothing but Chenab. So option is the right answer. Next one. Hopeman Cup is associated with which sport? We got various options here. Polo, hockey, tennis, basketball, and none of this. Here, remember that Hopeman Cup is something associated with tennis. And tennis tournaments are very, very important, and very, very important are nothing but Grand Slams. You should know a lot of important aspects about Grand Slams. Basically, we have got four important Grand Slams: Australian Open, French Open, and we got UK Open, which is also called as Wimbledon, and we also have got US Open. Very, very easy to remember because all of them are in alphabetical order: A, F, U, K, and S. And they also are conducted in a year. Initially, first Australian Open, then French Open, then Wimbledon, then US Open. So January, February Australian, June, July French, July, August UK Open. Sorry, May, June is French Open, June, July is UK, and August, September is nothing but US Open. So they are in the same order of their alphabetical sequence. And remember that Roger Federer, and we have got one more important person who is called as recently Rafael Nadal. So Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal have been made an history with 20 Grand Slams. Both of them are equal with 20 Grand Slams. Highest number of Grand Slams are won by Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal. So when the word of tennis comes into picture, you should know all of these aspects. The next one. Roseau is the capital of which country? Latvia, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, and Dominica, and none of these. Remember, the answer is nothing but Dominica. It is a part of the Mediterranean islands. Okay. So very, very important, Dominica. So they are called Caribbean islands. Caribbean islands. Okay. Very, very important. The next one. Which monument is called as a dream in stone? The answer is nothing but Panch Mahal. Remember that this Panch Mahal has been constructed by Mr. Akbar in Fatehpur Sikri. Very, very important. So Akbar is known for good monuments, and Panch Mahal is one of the monuments done by Mr. Akbar. Okay, very, very important. Panch Mahal is the answer, which is called as a dream in stone. Libreville is the capital of which country? We got answers: Moldova, Kazakhstan, Gabon, Romania, and all this. The answer is nothing but Gabon. Okay, very, very, very important. The Gabon currency is also French. Franc is the currency of Gabon. How do you remember? Franc money was sent to Guga DJ. There is a quotation called as franc money sent to Guga DJ. Sent to Guga DJ. Guga DJ. So if you remember this one, so someone sent some money to Guga DJ. DJ, you know, disco DJ. So Mali, Niger. Sent Senegal to Togo, Guinea, Gabon, DJ, Djibouti. So all these are the countries having the currency called franc. Like this, Gabon also has got a currency called francs, and Libreville is the capital of Gabon. So try to connect the currencies with the capitals like this, right? Next one. Raja Bhoj International Airport is situated in which state? The outright answer is nothing but Madhya Pradesh. Remember that in Madhya Pradesh, in a place called Indore, we have also got one more important international airport. It's called as Devi Ahalya Bai International Airport. Devi Ahalya Bai International Airport. So these are also one of the important international airports present in Indore in Madhya Pradesh. One more international airport is present in also Madhya Pradesh. This is a status-wise international airport, but only domestic flights are running in this Raja Bhoj International Airport. Right? Next one. Where is the Jabalpur airport located? You should also know that a question was asked in the examination. On which bank of the river is Jabalpur located? The bank of the river is nothing but Narmada. And you should also know that Narmada flows from Madhya Pradesh in Amarkantak Plateau. So the right answer is actually Madhya Pradesh. Means if you know that Jabalpur is located on the banks of river Narmada, you can also easily come to a conclusion that Jabalpur is also airport is also present in Madhya Pradesh. Paradip Port is a natural deep water port in which state of the country? Very, very important. Paradip. Remember that Paradip is an important port present in Odisha. Odisha coast is called as the Utkal coast, and the major port of Odisha is nothing but Paradip. And one more important port is also sanctioned for Odisha, that's called as Outer Paradip. Very, very important. The reason being a deep water port, most of the deep ports are present on the east coast because the east coast have got a little continental shelf. They go deep very fast compared to the western coast. Okay. So these are very, very important aspects with respect to Paradip Port. Next one. Chatrasal Stadium is famous wrestling stadium in which state of the country? It's very, very important. It is present in New Delhi or in Delhi. So it's basically a wrestling stadium, very, very famous. Chatrasal Stadium. Okay. Ankita Raina is rated to which sport? The answer should be very, very obvious: tennis. Remember that Ankita Raina is now ranks number 1 in tennis. She is the number 1 ranked player in India, Ankita Raina. Very, very important. So the answer is nothing but tennis. Just see her name, Ankita Raina. She is the number 1 top player in tennis. So after Sai Mirza, she is one of the lady who has got into a top position in tennis. Which city is known as the Lychee City of India? Very, very important. Why it's very, very important? There was a news something like Shahi Lychee geographical tag. So Shahi Lychee geographical tag was being given to Muzaffarpur. So obviously Muzaffarpur is called as a Lychee City. So these fruits are very much famous in Muzaffarpur in Bihar. So remember that the answer is Muzaffarpur. In which state is the Kudremukh National Park located? Very, very, very important. So Kudremukh National Park is present in the state of Karnataka. So if you wanted to know what are the national parks present in the state of Karnataka, band is banned in Kali procession in Ranganagar colony of Karnataka. Band is banned, Bandipur, band Bannerghatta, Kali or Anshu National Park. Okay. In Ranganathitu National Park, Ranganathitu colony, Ranganathitu, Nagarhole. So just listen to this, band is banned. So if you remember this quotation, you'll come to know what are the national parks present in Karnataka during Kali procession in Rangana colony of Karnataka. What is it called as? Rangana Nagar colony of Karnataka. So band Bandipur, band Bannerghatta, Kali National Park, Ranganathitu. It is present on Kaveri River. It is a bird sanctuary. Nagarhole National Park, and other one is nothing but Kudremukh National Park. All these are present in the state of Karnataka. Very, very important. In which state is the Aishbagh Stadium located? Okay. Again, here also again the answer is nothing but Madhya Pradesh. It is present in Madhya Pradesh. Very, very, very important. It is basically a hockey stadium. It's present in Madhya Pradesh. Who is known as the father of Indian comic book? Very, very, very important. His name is Anant Pai. He is called as the father of Indian comic book. Amar Chatra Katha is one of the important books written by Mr. Anant Pai. So he was actually a journalist. Later on, full time he was into author. Okay, very important. The Western Ghats does not traverse which of the following states? Yes, very interesting question. Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, none of this. See here, when you say this is India and these are the Western Ghats and these are the Eastern Ghats. So the states which are having a connection with this part will have a Western Ghats. Means what? Maharashtra is here, Karnataka is here, so Kerala is here, right? Tamil Nadu is at the bottom. Tamil Nadu has got a touch. But what is that is not having a touch? There is nothing but Andhra Pradesh. So the right answer is nothing but Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh has got Eastern Ghats, not the Western Ghats. Very, very important. Which city is known as City of Chilies? You all know there's nothing but Guntur Mirchi. So obviously the answer is nothing but Guntur. So Guntur Mirchi is very, very famous. So it's called as City of Chilies. Saint Helier is the capital of which country? Saint Helier is the capital of Jersey. Jersey is a very, very important country. It is basically an island which is also called as the English Channel Island. What is the meaning of English Channel Island? The islands which are present between UK and France. Between UK and France, we have got a channel that is called as English Channel. In this English Channel, you have got a country called Jersey, and the Jersey capital is nothing but Saint Helier. So very important. Who is the Union Minister in the Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pensions? See, very rarely people think that, so answer can be Rajnath Singh or Gajendra Singh or Nitin Gadkari. But the answer is nothing but Shri Narendra Modi. Shri Narendra Modi is the Minister for Personal Public Grievances and Pensions, and Jitendra Singh is a Minister of State, like he is assisting minister to Shri Narendra Modi. So the right answer is Narendra Modi. You know, Rajnath Singh is actually the Defense Minister, and Nitin Gadkari is the Minister for Road Transport, Shipping and Highways. Very important ministers. The Greater Flamingo is the state bird of which Indian state? Very, very important. This state has got Greater Flamingo as a state bird and Asiatic lion as a state animal. There is none other than the state of Gujarat. So whichever state you belong to, try to get to know your state bird and state animal. Indian Bank is headquartered at which city? New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore. The answer is nothing but Chennai. Chennai is the right answer for the headquarters of this Indian Bank. Okay. So since we are preparing for the banking examinations, definitely questions can be asked. And if not SB, at least for IBPS, this kind of questions will be asked. Where is the headquarters of Amnesty International? Very, very important. Which works for the human rights? Amnesty International. Amnesty International is present in London, United Kingdom, UK. Very, very important. The right answer is UK. And remember that Madrid, Spain is the headquarters of World Tourism Organization, not Trade, Tourism Organization. Geneva, Switzerland is headquarters for many, ILO, WHO, whatnot. Many are headquartered in Geneva. And UNEP is headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya. This is also very, very important. D. Nairobi, Kenya. Okay. All these are very important. What is the capital and currency of South Korea? A. Dublin and Som. B. Seoul and Won. Bamako Euro. Port Louis and Dirham and this thing. So they're asking you capital and also currency. Remember that there is a saying like South Korea 1 over North Korea. So what does it say? The currency of South Korea and North Korea is nothing but 1. So obviously the answer is nothing but 1. So Seoul is the capital of South Korea, and we have got Pyongyang, which is the capital of North Korea. Okay. So remember these things. Seoul is the capital of South Korea. Pyongyang, YONG, is the capital of North Korea. Right? Very, very important. The next one. Who is known as Udan Pari, Pargula Rani? Obvious, the answer is nothing but PT Usha. Now Hima Das is also excelling very much in this. Okay. So Udan Pari means Telugu Pargula Rani. So PT Usha. You all know that, right? Very important. When is Indian Air Force Day celebrated? Already I would have made a mention of this. Very important. Army Day, Air Force Day and Navy Day. Right? So I told you that Army Day is nothing but 15th of January. Off by 2, 7.5, 8 October, by 2, 4th December. So these are nothing but very, very important. Army, Air Force and Navy. So obviously Air Force is nothing but 8th of October. Very important. So right answer is nothing but 8th October. Okay. Michael Jordan is associated with which school? Very, very important. He is the American basketball player. Michael Jordan, one of the all-time champion of basketball, Michael Jordan. So Michael Jordan is a player of a game called as a basketball. Very important. Hyderabad is situated on which river? Very, very important. When you say Hyderabad, you get the name called as the Musi. So Hyderabad is situated on the river Musi, on the banks of river Musi. Recently, because of the floods in Hyderabad, Musi was, in a very good form, right? And Musi doesn't originate in Hyderabad. It originates in a place called Vikarabad. So Vikarabad is the original place where Musi originates in Anantagiri Hills. Anantagiri Hills. So these are also important aspects. Okay. Next one. The service area approach was a strategy launched to improve which of the following? Micro, small, medium enterprises, unorganized sector, rural lending, urban industrial lending, none of this. Remember that this is a very, very important. The answer is nothing but rural lending. So each bank will select some 25 villages and they will try to see to that there is a financial inclusion in these 25 villages. So earlier it's called as the lead bank scheme. Now it's called as service area approach. So the lead banks would actually take up this initiative called as a service area approach. So every bank is taking initiatives to see to that everyone is financially getting all the resources necessary and they are having a development in their own domain. Very important. Answer is rural lending. So this is the right answer. Which among the following debentures cannot be converted into equity shares? Remember, cannot be converted, non-convertible, cannot be converted, non-convertible. So we have got two things, non-convertible, non-redeemable. So you are asking about conversion. So obviously conversion. So the answer is non-convertible debentures. What exactly is a debenture? These are debentures are nothing but medium to long-term bonds. For example, I borrow money from someone with a bond. The one who gave me money, later on he has option to convert that into equity. But certain bonds do not allow them to convert into equity. Means what? Instead of me giving back the money, I can give some share of my company. But this bond which says that I will not give any share of my company, I will only give your money back. Don't ask me for my share. These are called as the non-convertible debentures. We'll discuss when we are discussing the stock market. Where is Gangotri National Park situated? Already I made a mention about this. Okay. Rajaji proposed to Nanda Devi. I made a sentence, right? I already said the sentence in earlier sessions. Rajaji proposed to Nanda Devi with a valley of flowers and got married in Govind Temple on the banks of river Gangotri in presence of Jim Corbett. So this is the code for Uttarakhand. So obviously the answer is nothing but Uttarakhand. Rajaji, Nanda Devi, Valley of Flowers, okay, and Govind, Gangotri, Jim Corbett National Park. These are important national parks in Uttarakhand. So the answer is nothing but Uttarakhand. Where is Kaziranga National Park? Already I said you, Assam is known for national parks and it is present in Assam. It is known for one-horned rhino. It is famous for what? One-horned rhino. So one-horned rhino is famous in Kaziranga National Park, present in Assam. Recently we had a World Rhino Day also. Very important. 5 species of rhinos are existing in the country and the theme was also to protect those 5 species of rhinoceros. Which search engine giant has recently unveiled project Navuleka to make online content relevant to more Indian language? The answer is nothing but Google. So Google has come with this program where they are trying to make the data available in the local languages, online content in the local languages. That scheme project is called as Navuleka project. So answer is nothing but Google. During his recent visit to which country, PM Shri Narendra Modi announced to build a Mahatma Gandhi Heritage Center in Jinja town where statue of Father of Nation stands? The answer is nothing but Uganda. Remember that. Uganda, the capital is nothing but Kampala. Kampala is the capital of Uganda. And shilling is the currency of Uganda. So the code for shilling is nothing but shilling cuts. Instead of cutting CUTS, I added KUTS. Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Somalia. Kenya, capital Nairobi. Uganda, Kampala. Tanzania, Dodoma. Somalia, Mogadishu. Okay. So the currency of Uganda is shilling and the capital is nothing but Kampala. Recently, PM Shri Narendra Modi unveiled this statue or this center in Uganda, Kampala. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur and its currency is ringgits. Malaysia currency is nothing but ringgits. Very, very, very important. Thailand currency is nothing but baht. Okay, Malaysia currency is ringgits. And we have got Indonesia whose currency is rupiah. And we have got South Africa rand. We have got Bhutan, gultram. So Bhutan currency is gultram. South Africa currency is rand. And Indonesia currency is rupiah. And Malaysia is ringgits. And Thailand is nothing but baht. The capital of Tanzania. Just now I made a mention that shilling cuts, KUTS. So obviously Dodoma. Dodoma is the capital of Tanzania. And the currency is shilling. Where is the headquarters of Fincare Small Finance Bank located? See here, the options would be between both of these things. But the registered office is in Ahmedabad, but the corporate office is present in Bengaluru. But when you say headquarters, the answer would be obviously corporate office. So the answer is nothing but Bengaluru is the right answer. Okay, have clarity. Don't get confused. And the last question of this one, a friend you can bank upon is the tagline of, obviously you might be knowing, the answer is nothing but Vijaya Bank. But now Vijaya Bank and Canara Bank are combined to form one bank. There is nothing but Canara Bank. Okay, yes or no? Sorry, Syndicate Bank combined with Canara Bank, not Vijaya Bank. Vijaya Bank combined with the Bank of Baroda. right? Okay, again I'll just recap this. Syndicate Bank plus Canara Bank. Canara is nothing but Canara, and we have got something called as the Vijaya Bank plus Dena Bank plus Bank of Baroda is nothing but Bank of Baroda. Okay, so this is all with respect to these things. Very, very, very important. Okay, all the best. Write other examinations also. We'll discuss every question in detail. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. See you all.